Jesse and I are going camping this weekend, so we're on our way right now, but we stopped by Chick-fil-A because I was really craving it. Chick-fil-A has new key lime lemonade. I got the Sunjoy with half key lime. Let's taste it. That's so good. I love Chick-fil-A so much. They're so freaking expensive now. It's so good. That's how you know.
It's an affluent neighborhood.
They got money. Oh shit. Wow, the wildflowers. Wow. Jesse originally booked our stay in this area because there were supposed to be like super blooms, wildflower blooms, but it's dead. Basically, they said that because it didn't rain at all, or like it barely rained last year, that there's like no blooms at all. And this is what we came to. But it's okay. I just woke up from a nap. I'm so tired right now. But we're off to our campsite now. Thanks.
Wildflowers. This is where like a lot of people come to watch. I don't know how I feel about this.
We'll see. He's like, you better help. So we've been using this sweet hot mustard. We first tried this in Joshua Tree at some restaurant there. I forgot what it's called, but it is the best hot mustard we have ever tasted. It's like kind of like wasabi-esque kick. Worcestershire, yeah, the Worcestershire. How do you even say that? But it has like a kick where it like gets to your nose, and it's so good. Highly, highly recommend. It's so good. The weather is perfect here right now. It was like a little bit warmer earlier during the day when we were just chilling, but it was like not suffocating at all. And now that the sun is down, it's like this nice fresh coolness. You know when like after it rains, it just feels a lot cleaner, the air. That's exactly what it is right now. And I feel like I'm gonna get a really good sleep. I'm so tired today, but I'm excited to wake up to birds chirping. That's the best part about waking up at camp. I feel like you always use it. Look how beautiful this can is. Wow. So pretty. Cheers. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Holy crap. That's the moon. Oh my god.
Just call it. It'll taste like poop.
I'll wash these. The coffee's done?
This is the hassle.
Oh my gosh, they're so good. Good morning. We are gonna go to the slot today. We have to pack up our stuff and go to a different site. Kind of annoying, but it's okay. We're gonna pack up, go hiking at the slot, and then unload at our new spot. Last night we fell asleep as heroes because we saved the mouse from dying in our freaking fire pit. And it somehow crawled up from the bottom of our fire pit up. How did
Get out.
Jesse?
I don't think he knows how to get out.
Well, how did he even get in there?
No.
Dude, you have to scoop him out, Jesse. Jesse, oh my god, Jesse, please, I don't up. Dude.
Dude, that's sad. Oh, okay.
Oh my god. I don't think it knew where it was going, and it ended up in our fire pit, and it was like freaking out. But we saved him. Yeah, I recorded all of it.
You want me to take a picture?
Oh, today the video through here? What the heck? This is so crazy. Hello? But mostly at the go. Why does that taste so good? Just cut up some potatoes and we're having steak tonight. It's our last night. We were supposed to have samgyeopsal, but we couldn't get it before we got here, so yeah. But steak is good too. And then we're gonna have some wine right now. Jesse and I just napped all day. I think the sun here is like, I don't know. I think the desert sun hits a little different. It got me so like dazed off. Oh, that's not good. Right?
What is that?
Black. I don't know. I'm gonna eat this. Good morning, everybody. We checked out of our campsite, and before we head out to go home, we're gonna stop by Sealy's grapefruit stand. Jesse said that there's a grapefruit stand here that just sells grapefruit, and apparently and tangerines, and apparently it's so good, so we have to try it. I'm thinking we're gonna get like a bundle. Maybe we can share with our friends. I usually don't have grapefruit. I love tangerines, but I'm not really a grapefruit person, so we'll see how sweet these guys are. Oh my gosh. What? Who do we talk to?
No, you just leave $5 or whatever it costs. But
No way.
do we have?
That's the fruit stand? That's so cute. It smells so, oh my god, my face looks like a grapefruit. How cute is that? It's an honor system situation, so you just put your money in that blue thing and call it a day. It smells so good. Thank you. I really want to try one of these today. Oh, it's so fragrant. It smells so good. This one smells sweet. Oh my god, it smells so good. I wish you could smell it. The grapefruit juice is all over my glasses. Okay, I'm gonna try it. Oh, it's sour. Oh, it's good, but I'm not a grapefruit girly. Ooh. Maybe I'll give the whole bag to Annie.